Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Augustus tōku ingoa. Kia ora everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a bit about statistics and why I love it, and why you could consider taking it at university. But first, I want to share with you guys a story where you are the main character. So imagine you're a famous adventurer who is looking for treasure inside the Shuriman jungle, and you've just found a rare artifact of the past, the Tear of the Goddess. As you take the artifact from its pedestal, you are shot by a poisonous arrow.
Shock dart.
Although you managed to get the artifact, you must now find and eat a Timo shroom, which contains the antidote for the poison. However, you know that when Timo shrooms are exposed to too much magic in the air, they can lose their antidotal properties. To make matters worse, both types of shrooms occur in equal numbers and look identical. The only way to tell them apart is from the sound that comes from shrooms without the antidote. Luckily, you see a Timo shroom on your left, but just as you start to make your way over, you hear a loud on your right. You look over and you see two Timo shrooms staring right at you, but you do not know which one made the sound. As your mind starts to numb from the poison, you know that you only have time to reach one of the two shroom sites before you die. What should you do? If you said, go to the site with two shrooms, you would be correct. The single shroom on the left has a 50% chance of having the antidote, whereas the right side with two shrooms has greater than 50% chance of having the antidote. However, there are incorrect and correct ways to come to this answer. As long as you eat one of the two shrooms that have the antidote property, then you will survive. The likelihood of both shrooms not having the antidote is 0.5 times 0.5, which is 0.25. which when you minus from the total probability will give you a 75% chance of survival. This is incorrect because the extra information we have means that the probabilities are no longer what they seem. The correct answer is that there is a 2 out of 3 or roughly 67% chance of survival when you go towards the two shrooms. Think of it this way. There are 4 possible situations with the two shrooms. Both shroom 1 and shroom 2 have the antidote. Only shroom 1 has the antidote, only shroom 2 has the antidote, or both shroom 1 and shroom 2 do not have the antidote. Since you already know that at least one of the shrooms can make the noise, you can remove the first option. As you see, there is now a 2 out of 3 chance that there is at least one shroom with the antidote. This situation can be explained as conditional probability. Given a situation, there are a certain number of outcomes where every time you learn something new, you can remove some of the possible outcomes, causing the remaining to have a higher chance of occurring. The key takeaway here is learning new things means you can make better decisions, just like how you can learn similar things here at the University of Auckland if you choose to take a statistics or data science degree. So what are you waiting for? Sign up at the University of Auckland website today.